Well, hey everyone, it's 777, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about this ESky Sparrow today. Okay guys, so check this out. This may be one of the most unique airplanes you've ever seen. So ESky sent this to me for review, and I have to say it's actually a really cool little airplane. Now it has regular mode, which is like just regular flight modes, and also has a beginner mode, which is self-leveling, which I actually prefer to fly this airplane in a self-leveling mode. So you can see here on the controller here, low rates is beginner mode, high rates is expert mode. You'll see some video of me flying it at a regular flying field here, just flying it normally, but I actually prefer, like I was saying, the beginner mode. So if you're taking a look at this airplane, you're like, what is this thing? So it is a biplane. It's made of the EPP, the expanded polypropylene, so it's actually very flexible and very impact resistant. Now you're looking at this airplane, and it is very unique because it has dual motors here, and it actually has differential thrust in all modes, which is pretty cool. So it has this really nice kind of stole type of landing gear, and it also has a T-tail, which is very unique for a biplane, and it has a full stabilizer on the back, so the whole elevator moves up and down. So that is pretty cool. It runs off these little 650 milliamp battery packs, 2S, and you just pop it right in the inside here. This would be a great little airplane to add a little bit of FPV to, because it flies so slow all around the field. I actually had my brother-in-law in from Michigan. He's never flown an airplane before, and I actually took him out to the field today, and he flew an airplane for the very first time. Now, he did end up flying it into some the tennis courts and accidentally chipped this little prop here, so I'm going to need to change that little prop out. But anyway, I'm going to leave you guys here with some flight footage. I think it's a really cool airplane for what it is, a nice little trainer. Thanks again to ESky for sending me this really, really cool, unique airplane, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye. What do you think?
It's very, I like to fly it without wind, but it actually handles really well. Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Army.
See you later, you too. Sorry, Steve.
How does it do with no throttle?
Let's try it out. Let's bring it up here and no throttle. So it still keeps the the motor's running at 0 throttle, so that it has differential throttle, so it'll still
So it will-
activate the rudder.
So
yeah.
it will do some steering.
Yes.
So
It's a little bit like a quadcopter where you have to arm it and they spin up. and
Okay.
They don't seal.
I couldn't tell, but was one side not turning at all?
No, they're both.
Okay, just windmilling probably.
Yeah. So if I bring it in like this, they're both still windmilling, and then if I disarm it, then they stop.
Oh, I see. Okay.
But it's just like a quadcopter because it has a stabilization in there, so it always has like a low throttle.
Right.
So if I do happen to give it some rudder, it will actually turn.
Right. Okay. Interesting. All right.
Is that you coming in? Yeah.
We'll flap her on.
Looks like it just flies itself off the ground.
Yeah, it's a little bit like a UMX plane. Having this one.